Hello, and welcome to Chief Architect Workshop. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks. Hello, and now we are going to continue with part 3 of the CAD pull-down menu with this part down here. The plant footprint is not ready for prime time. Let's not worry about that for beginners. Auto detail is kind of fun. Click on that. You have a section and it automatically details what the wall components are made of, fills in the concrete. So that's kind of cool. That works pretty good because then when you go to CAD detail from view, all that stuff can get changed into a very detailed section view. So that's a nice thing to happen. Of course, this is a vaulted ceiling. We don't need the insulation there, but we can always, hold on. We can always get rid of it before we go to the detail view. So let's just delete that. And then we can go to CAD detail from view and it won't show up. Oh, let's see. Yeah, it's gone. Okay, some of the other stuff in the CAD, third part of the CAD menu here. CAD block management. This is really not for beginners. Let's not worry about that. CAD detail management. We do have some details in here that we've created when we create the sections. Let's see, we can open it from here. And it has the section we created with our fills, etc. And we already did CAD detail from view. So, got that covered. CAD to walls. That's a whole separate video in and of itself, not for beginners. So part 3 is short and sweet. Just a couple things to look up for. See you next time. Thank you for checking out Chief Architect Workshop. Please remember to go to our YouTube channel, Chief Architect Workshop, and subscribe.